Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, so I went to Dollar General. I had already went last week and I had to stop by this week to get a few things, and I want to show you guys what I got. I got so many things that I need to show you, right? So let's get started because it's going to be a very long video. Not too long, but long enough, right? So the first thing I'm going to show you are these really super cute signs that I came across. These are so cute. I love these signs. Anything that has to do with Santa, like a special delivery postage stamp, or like a North Pole, is just like the best, right? I don't know if you guys agree, but to me it's like the best, right? So I love these signs. I think they were just so beautiful, and I cannot believe this only cost $1. $1 each one. It's crazy, I know. Then I found this one, which I thought was super cute. This is Christmas tree. I thought these were adorable. They only had 2 of these. I wish they had more, but they didn't. But these are cute also. Super adorable. Okay. I found this, I grabbed it, and after I grabbed it and I looked at it at home, I was like, this may not be like the best buy ever. The material doesn't seem very like durable, but I do love the colors because I love the kind of toned down color that this has. So I got this tree skirt, and I thought it would be perfect because the colors would be awesome with my tree. The only thing I don't like about this is the blue trim that this has right here, but I'm going to actually take care of that. I'm going to actually cover that with like a nice thick rope, like a Nautica rope, all around the tree skirt, because I don't like that blue color, but I do love the rest. So I don't know, we'll see. I know that Target and Marshalls and TJ Maxx and Home Goods really have awesome skirts that are absolutely beautiful, the best quality considering the price. So I might have to search for a better one, but for now I'm okay with this one. So I found tons of other little beautiful ornaments. So I picked up more of these. I picked this up last week, and I picked up more. I found this woody one, and then I picked up another one of these red ones because I think these will be great to use for crafting. Can never get enough of little tiny clips. Okay, then I found these awesome signs, and I like had to get them, guys. I don't know, I'm going like insane with all these like ornaments, but I just love them so much, and it's so hard to say no because it's so cheap. It's only $1, so I'm like, really, are you kidding me? So I picked up this one, which is, I thought it was beautiful. It says Joy, Noel, Believe, and Blessings. How cute are these wooden signs, right? It's just so beautiful, and only for $1. I can't. I'm telling you, it's just amazing. And then this one says Love, Hope, Peace, and Christmas. And again, it's just adorable, and it's wooden sign. It looks so expensive. It doesn't even look like it would cost $1. This looks like it's way more than $1. Then I picked up more. If you guys watched my last haul video, I showed you guys this one. So I picked up another one of these Santa workshop signs. I love these, so I picked up another one of these. Okay, then I found these what are these called? These are not deers. These are I don't know what animal this is called. I don't know the proper name. Would it be deers? I don't think these are deers. It might be. I don't know. Whatever it is, let me know at the bottom of the video. I'm sure you guys, somebody will let me know at the bottom of this video. But these are so cute. These ornaments are adorable. Look how cute these are. I picked up 2 of these. I was thinking of doing a project with this, and so I'm so excited for Christmas, guys. You have no idea. I am so anxious to start Christmas already, which I think I'm going to start next week doing Christmas projects with you guys. I want to do like an early Christmas because I want to start early to give you guys ideas so that you can work around the ideas that I'm giving you for Christmas. You know what I mean? I don't want to leave it like at the last minute or not give you enough time to prepare for like Christmas projects. So I think I'm going to start Christmas in the early November. What do you guys think about that? Let me know what you guys think about that at the bottom of this video. But anyway, I got these two little, I'm gonna call them deers for now. If they're not deers, then correct me please. But cute, they're so cute, and they're so sparkly. I love them. $1 each. And then I got this one that looks like it's kind of like running, which I like this one because it's flat. So I'm going to make a nice little project with this one. I love these. These are so cute. I'm going to call them deers for now. I thought they were adorable. Okay, then I found this. I got this one from my friend actually. I got this from one of my coworkers. She's obsessed. Again, I always say it because she, you know, I always remind me of her. Actually, they both are, but there's one that's more obsessed with the truck and the Christmas tree than the other, but they both like that kind of look. So I got this for both of them. I got one and one for each one. And I thought these were so cute, right? Look at these Christmas little pillows. I thought they were cute. They could probably hang them somewhere like in a little corner or something. It's supposed to be a door pillow. A door pillow, which I guess hangs from the knob of the door, I'm assuming. I don't know. But they can use it for whatever they want. I thought it was so cute. So I'm going to give this to them. I don't know why I'm doing this because Christmas is not even here yet, but I don't know, guys. I'm crazy. So I'm going to give one of these and one of these for them. And then this one and this one for the other beautiful ladies because they love this they love the Christmas tree with the trucks. They're obsessed with it. Especially Nids. Obsessed. So this is going to be a nice surprise for them that I'm going to be bringing in to them in the next few days. But yeah, these pillows are super cute, I thought. And they were only $2. Okay. Then I can show you. Well, I showed you guys this already because I got this for myself. And I had to go back and I grabbed a few more for other projects. I just got like 4 or 5 of these, and I'm just gonna have like a nice little project using these, but I don't want to talk too much about that because I don't want to ruin the surprise. Okay, and then on my way out I found these and I'm like, oh my god, really look how cute these Santas are, guys. Tell me this is not the cutest thing in the world. Look at the detail on these Santas. How freaking adorable. I got 3 of these. These were $3 each. So you get this beautiful, gorgeous Santa that looks like he's skiing. And then you get this gorgeous Santa that has a candy cane in his hand. And I just love his outfit, by the way. Super stylish. And then you get this one, which is so cute, with the little Santa glasses. And then he's holding like a little lantern in his hand. These are just so cute, guys. I thought these were adorable for $3, so I had to grab them. All these 3 Santas were just super duper adorable. And you know what? They don't even look like they cost $3. You go somewhere else and get these Santas, and very easily, they will probably cost you $8 or $9 each one. I mean, that's how beautiful and perfect they're designed, okay? All right, and the last thing I got, which I was so excited when I got this. I was like, oh my god, I grabbed them all. Like, this made my entire day when I saw this. And I saw that, I'm like, I'm grabbing them all. And the lady at the register was like, okay, like, this is like the second time I see you here. Like, what, are you like reselling these things? And I'm like, no, I do projects for my coworkers, and like, you know, I just love doing Christmas projects. And she's like, oh my god, like, okay. I don't think she believed me, but that's okay. I found these and I'm like, I had to grab all of them. Oh my God. So these are little tiny, like, what are they called? Christmas globes. And, you know, the shaky ones with the have a little snow. But these are just adorable because the faces are like for example, this face is an elf, right? This one is a penguin. Look how cute these are. This one is Santa. And then I grabbed this one, which is a snowman, right? And then I grabbed this one, which is a tree. So I grabbed them all, okay? Yes, call me crazy. That's okay. You can call me crazy, but you know what? I'm not that crazy, because when I go back to get these, because I'm thinking of having an ideas on what to do with them, and I'm like, okay, let me go back and get them, I won't find them. So I'm not that crazy. Maybe a little bit, but that's okay. I grabbed a whole bunch of these and I'm super excited to do a nice little project with them. This is like the best one, the best things that I purchased from this whole like little run was finding these adorable little globes. I love them. So that is all I got from Dollar General. I hope that this was a fun, my cookie jar. I hope this was a fun haul video for you guys. Let me know what you guys think about me starting the Christmas series early this year. Would that be kind of weird, or I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that. But in the meantime, I want to thank you all so much for your beautiful comments, and thank you all so much for returning to my channel. Thank you so much for your wonderful, beautiful, positive energy. I love it. Keep coming. Make sure you like that button. Make sure you guys subscribe. That really helps me a lot when you guys like my buttons, because like my buttons like my videos. That helps me and it gives me a lot of motivation, and it also helps me make a little bit of money so I can buy more stuff and show you guys my creativity and put more awesome videos out there for you guys. So it'd be wonderful if you guys like my videos and also subscribe. Thank you so much. I love you, love you, love you all. I will see you back with a Dollar Tree haul video. Boom, boom, boom. Love you. See you in a few days. Bye.